Hello everyone and welcome to the tutorial video on how you can manage table of contents in Google Docs. I am Sabine from Create, Login and Delete, and without further ado, let's jump into our topic. So table of contents can help you in many ways in Google Docs, right? In order to navigate through your texts and headings, you need table of contents. So in order to create table of contents, just slide down, highlight one of the headings, go right here in this section as shown in the screen, click on heading 1, go to insert, slide down and click on table of contents. So inside table of contents, you'll see three options right here. The first one's plain text. The second one's dotted, in which you'll have dots in your table of contents leading towards the page number. And the third option is links, which is usually used to add links in your table of contents. So for instance, let me take the plain text. Now right here, you can see that my table of contents have been created. You can do the similar with other headings as well. Since I had chosen 3 headings and done the similar process for 3 headings, those headings have been created inside the table of contents. In order to add the new heading, what you can do is just slide down. For example, this is one of your heading that you want to add to your table of contents. Just highlight it, go to this section right here, click on heading 1 and go up to the table of contents, click on table of contents, and right here in the arrow button, just click on it, and then your heading has been added. You can also edit your table of contents by making it either bold or italic, right? By changing the colors as well. So that's how you edit the table of contents. On your mouse, clicking right on your table of contents will present you with a pop-up as shown in the screen. Slide down and you can see 2 options right here to update your table of contents or to delete your table of contents. So you can either update the table of contents or delete the table of contents by clicking on these options. So that's how you do it. These are the basic steps on how you can create table of contents and manage table of contents inside Google Docs. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Thank you very much.